So today I went to the farm and I got a call from my wife that a bad storm had come through our neighborhood, and pretty much this is what I came home to. Our neighbor's tree there fell through our fence next to our house and basically laid across my driveway. Damage on the house. We got this light, which is down. We got some gutter issues, and that's pretty much what I can see here. Once I move this tree here, I might be able to see maybe some damage to the siding. I can't really tell. There's a fence right here coming off the house. Looks to be intact from here, but I can't tell. I'll go around to the other side. Back there on that side of the garage, it's kind of hard for you to see. I'll go around the back side, but there's another piece of fence that looks to be leaning. Yeah, this is going to be a mess to clean up. If you look way over there, our other neighbor's got big chunks of tree up in the air, broken. You see that big tree there has dropped some all kinds of branches. The neighbors here actually had a tree on the other side fall and a tree in the back, so they got hit 3 times. Well, let me go around to the back and I'll show some more from the other side. Alright, so here I am at the back of my house. Last video I was just on the other side of that corner. I'll come up here on the steps. You can see fence closest to us. That fence is damaged. The one closest right there to the house doesn't look to be too bad. As you can see in the neighbor's yard, way over there, you can see the other tree that's down. You can see that's the tree that snapped a second ago when I came out. That big broken branch up there, it was another one like it that fell. And this is like an hour or two after the storm. So they got all kinds of stuff in their backyard too. Let's see over there, that tree's broken. Let's get a little bit closer. Alright, so we got the gutter down. The little house is destroyed. I can tell that my right here used to be a gate. You can see the post right there. There's a gate going that way. That's gone. The fence, you can see, is leaning to the right here. This is all of it. You can see straight into the neighbor's yard. The garage doesn't look to be touched really, except for maybe that corner, which mainly the fence. Some of my kids are here to walk around. I believe that debris and this big branch here I believe that came from that tree up there. You probably can't see from up top. There's a broken branch. Let's see, that's the culprit. Here beside my garage, you can see it again. And this, there was a gate. There was a gate there. You can see it's broken through. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just going to ride around my neighborhood for a second. As you can see, there's actually a branch broken on that part of the tree as well, but my neighbor's got their fence ripped off, or railing ripped off their porch. We got more trees over there. Trees down. They're dealing with trees over here. Trees down over there, branches. When I came through here earlier, there was a big tree down right over there. You couldn't get through. Everybody's out dealing with trees and stuff. Now I'm just gonna go. Put my seatbelt on. Just gonna go down the street a little bit. Here we go. All that damage over there. Like I said, I was out of town. We're at the farm, about an hour away, getting ready to do some rotting. We just finished cutting grass, and there's a tree down over here. My wife called and told me about the storm and the tree in our backyard. There's a tree down back there. There was a building over near my shop, which is a couple minutes away. Yeah, it was an automotive auto body shop. They paint and stuff, and they had the roof ripped off their building. So I don't know if this was a hurricane or not, tornado, or just a bad storm or what. Obviously not a hurricane, but let me go this way. Let's see. All right, here we go. We have a school here. There's a tree down there. More trees down here, and then up high there's gonna be some more trees. It's starting to get dark, so it's kind of hard to see. The camera's kind of focusing in and out weird. And I'm gonna turn down the next road and head back to my house. I just wanted to go through real quick. Let's see. Alright, looks like the power company. They've got the road blocked, so I won't be turning there. They're working on a pole or something. That's it. Laying down on the road. Alright, here we go. Some more damage. I mean, it's almost, in my actual neighborhood, it almost seems like every other house, or every couple houses, has got trees and branches down, power lines. Let's see here. Go this way. There's more branches and stuff down. Trees and stuff. There's a tree in that yard. Another tree. And there's all kinds of stuff down. Oh well, I guess I need to. Cars covered in trees. Maybe I should head back and instead of we got some trees down over there too in somebody's yard. That actually looks pretty bad. Some big trees. This guy was blocking the road. Must be someone else down. But yeah, I mean, it's almost like the whole neighborhood is outside cleaning stuff. But my wife just talked to the insurance company. They said basically take pictures and stuff, and then we can start removing. So man, trees down all over the place. I mean, everywhere you look, you see chunks of tree. Things up in the big branches broken off all over the place. That house caught on fire not too long ago, I think. Alright, so before my wife gets mad, I'm gonna head back and get to work, I guess. She didn't know I was leaving. I decided to jump in the car and come take some footage. There was one house, I don't even see, I think it was over here, that had trim the house. Another big branch and tree laying down. Alright, we'll drive, must be the last thing. Drive through this zone here. Earlier you couldn't even get through here, so they've been clearing it. Oh, this is, oh man. Like a war zone. Alright. That's gonna be it. Thanks for watching.